Hi, I'm Steve Bass, and I'm the production designer for the Tony Awards. Right behind me you can see the set that we're doing for this year's show, and it's a combination of the aesthetic of the Beacon Theater, which is all around us, and what I would call an old Broadway look. It's always a balance for us. We're sort of chasing the creative on this show because we designed it so much earlier than when we know the Broadway shows are going, which shows are going to be on. The aesthetic of the actual proscenium, like I said, is based on the Beacon, but we wanted to fold in a little bit more of sort of a New York street urban look to it, so it's an unusual combination of sort of elegance and urbanity. And the function of the show is always quite a challenge because we have to accommodate 8 Broadway shows plus the Tony Awards itself for 3 hours of entertainment. And the way that we're accomplishing it this year is by using a lot of LED technology, 9mm wind vision with black RP to soften the pixels, and a series of panels upstage of the piece, which you see here partially is our closed down unit. And outside on the Amsterdam Avenue and on 56th Street, we have a series of tents that hold all of our technical gear and all of our deck scenery, which typically would be held inside Radio City in the wings. But here at the Beacon, there are literally no wings. We only have room for cast on the stage. We have a series of plasma screen elements where we're going to be featuring show posters because a huge part of the emphasis of this program is to make sure that America understands what's happening on Broadway and what they can come to see, as well as a celebration of Broadway for the people in the room. It's almost like a private party meets all of America.
Who built the set?
The set was built this year by Hudson Studios. They've done such a beautiful job, and as a designer I've worked with many shops, and it's the first time that I actually had an opportunity to work with Hudson, and they've just been amazing. The automation on the set is primarily for our closed down, which you see right behind me. It's in 3 pieces. We have an outside portal frame, we have the doors, which are right on the center, and then upstage we have an LED screen. And that gives us a little flexibility in terms of how we iris the stage open and close for different performances. Most of the time it's going to all travel out as one piece, but we do like to have flexibility for all those surprises that come when the nominations come out that we don't know how to handle.